Hello everyone. So now we are going to see the hexagonal lamina beta and non-beta problems. So the first problem what we are going to see is a hexagonal lamina of sides 30 mm has one of its corners in VP and its surface inclined at 30 degrees with VP, and the diagonal passing through the corner in which the VP appears, it is inclined to be at an angle of 40 degrees to HP. So that means in this problem, we are going to see the word as appears to be inclined. So therefore, this problem to differentiate between beta and non-beta, it clearly shows it appears to be inclined at an angle of 40 degrees to HP. So this terms as a non-beta problem. So now we are going to draw an hexagon. So I'm going to take a thick line. So hexagon of 30 mm, 30, 30, next is 30, the angle is 60. Next it is 30, angle is 60 into 2. Next the angle will be 60 into 3. Next 30 and enter, angle will be 60 into 4. Next you can join this endpoint or give the length as 30, angle as 60 into 5. So this will create an hexagon in VP. That is the front view, whatever you are going to view, that will be looking as a hexagon. So now we are going to see the corners, name the corners. This is A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, and F dash. So here you can clearly view that you are going to place the hexagon or rest the hexagon on corner A. So with this we are going to draw the top view. So I'm going to draw the projection lines. I'm going to draw the projection lines. Now I'm going to draw the top view using line command, thick line. So I'm going to join each and every endpoint. Each and every endpoint, and I'm going to name this as A, this as F of P, since F is visible, and next edge E of C, and next is D. So this is a hexagon of 30 mm side, 30 mm side. So it is inclined. Next position, it is inclined at an angle of 30 degrees with V. So this angle would be 120, the internal angle. So external angle, we have given it as 60 degrees. So next is we are going to see this top view, which is inclined at an angle of 30 degrees with VP. So now I'm coming to the top view for the second position. So I'm going to select this top view with command enable copy. So with this as my reference, I'm going to move it on the XY line. So place this on the XY line directly, come to rotate command. So from this A and D, so you have to rotate this at an angle of 30 degrees. So rotation angle will be 30 degrees. So now you can measure it. So this will be at an angle of 30 degrees. Next, we are going to draw the projection lines using thin lines. So A and D both are on the same line. So you can draw the projection lines. Next, F and P. Next, E and C, and finally D. So now I am going to name this second position. So this is A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, and F dash. So these are the corners in the second position. So we are going to join these corners: A dash, B dash, C dash, E dash, E dash, F dash, and A dash. So this is the second position hexagon in the second position. So coming to the third position, the next position. So here he has told that the diagonal passing through the corner that is resting on VP appears to be inclined at an angle of 40 degrees to HP. So which is the diagonal? See here, from A dash, that is the resting corner. So one of the diagonal passing through it, it is inclined at an angle of 40 degrees to HP. So that is nothing but A dash D dash in the first position. So next position, A dash D dash. So this we have to make it appear to be inclined at an angle of 40 degrees to HP. So this is the third position. So for that, go to line command, take a thin line. So draw an angle of 40 degree to the XY line. Draw a line angle, an angle of 40 degree to the XY line. Next, select this hexagon in the second position. So now with respect to corner A and D, we are going to move. So place this A and D on the 40 degree line. So we should be careful so that no corners is coming below the XY line. So I'm going to place this, directly come to rotate. So A and D are on the XY line. So next we are going to draw the projection lines. So projection line, I'm taking a thin line. So A, I'm going to end on the XY line. Next B, C, D, E is with C and F. So now I am going to take the corners. So this is A, corner A, B, C, D, E, and F. So these are the corners we have. So now we are going to join these corners using thick line. So corner A, B, C, D, E, F, and A. So this ends the first case of problem where your hexagonal lamina of sides 30 mm is inclined, the surface is inclined at an angle of 30 degrees with VP, and the diagonal passing through that corner in which the VP appears to be inclined at an angle of 40 degrees. So this ends the problem. This is a non-beta problem in case of hexagon. So next we are going to see a beta case problem.